Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you a basic square stitch. This is a very simple stitch, extremely beginners friendly, and you can use it to make all sorts of different designs like this one. I'm very excited to share some full project tutorials I have coming up using this stitch, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be alerted when those are released. I'll be using two different color large pony beads so it's easy to see what I'm doing. A yarn needle and yarn, and a different color bead as a stopper bead. I highly recommend practicing with these materials first before graduating to small seed beads. It's a lot easier to get the hang of the new stitches this way. Now let's get started. The first step will be to create a stopper bead by threading through and looping back around once or twice. This helps prevent your beads from slipping around when you're working. Next, pick up any number of beads you desire or that your pattern calls for. I'm using 7 beads for this demonstration. From here, I'm switching colors so that you can more easily see the different rows. Next, I pick up a single bead, pass my needle through the last white bead from top to bottom. This creates a loop around the bead. Then I will pass my needle up through the newly added yellow bead to complete the stitch. This is the full stitch, and from here we repeat. Pick up a single bead, pass through the next white bead from top to bottom. Then pass up through only the single newly added bead. Again, pick up one bead, pass through the next white bead from top to bottom, then up through the newly added bead to complete the stitch. Repeat this technique until the end of your row. Then to start a new row, simply turn your work over so that your working thread is closest to you. Then repeat the stitch again, picking up a single bead, passing through the first yellow bead from top to bottom, then up through the newly added white bead. To tie off your thread, you'll weave your needle down through the previous row of beads, exiting through the bottom of the second bead, then entering up through the bead next to it, and back down through the previous bead to create a loop. You'll repeat this a couple times to secure the tail thread before snipping off the excess. And there you have it, simple square stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and try this other tutorial on how to do simple peyote stitch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.